Hey, I'm Jason with Buehler Air Conditioning. Today we're going to talk to you about what to do if your outside unit is making a loud noise but not coming on. Here we are at the outside unit, and you can notice that it is making a humming sound, but the fan is not turning. That means we have an electrical problem with this unit. And the first and best thing that we can do is just turn power off to this unit so that we don't have any further damage. The first way you can do that is by removing power from the disconnect. And if you're not comfortable doing it that way, just go to the thermostat and turn it to the off position, and go ahead and give us a call and we'll get a technician headed your way. Thanks for checking out this video today. For more information and tips and tools like this, subscribe to our YouTube page, Buehler Air Conditioning. And remember, stay cooler with Buehler.